So, what bear market? Investors throw record cash behind blockchain firms in 2021. Investments into crypto over the 6 months of 2021 have already more than doubled those witnessed in all previous years combined. So, welcome back to the Best Crypto channel, and today we are going to talking about such important news like what bear market investors threw record cash behind blockchain firms in 2021. Also, I think it's worth mentioning that looking into world build of NFTs, it's really quite interesting article, so it's quite interesting topic. So watch to the end and you will know it. Also subscribe for our channel because we on a daily basis keeping you updated and make video for you. And also please write in the comment section what you news to prefer, what you want to see there, and let's get started. So through all these ups and downs, however, 2021 has continued to see an increasing amount of capital enter this fast evolving space. So, despite the recent slight recovery of cryptocurrency markets, there is no denying the fact that the crypto industry has been faced with a great deal of volatility over the last few months, made evident by the total market capitalization of the sector that dipped from $2.5 trillion to $1.18 trillion over a 45-day span earlier this year. So, to put things into perspective, the above stated figure is by far the most witnessed in any single year, and it's nearly equal to the total amount raised in all previous years combined. Donny Lu, CEO of cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin, told Cointelegraph, early-stage investors of cryptocurrency have already achieved profitability and have a deep understanding of the development rules of the markets. This is the key reason why they are willing to invest despite market fluctuations. Lu further opined that for traditional investors, the crypto industry allows them to obtain higher returns in a short cycle, citing the volatility of Bitcoin as an example of the same. When the market experiences volatility, it's the best time for investing, and investor will profit from it. So next in the video, a closer look at the numbers, more notable activities, is more institutional money incoming, and what lies ahead. So I think it's really interesting. But let's move on. So, hefty chunk of the aforementioned $17 billion figure comes from a single deal that saw a new cryptocurrency exchange called Bullish draw $10 billion in cash and digital assets following an initial injection by Block.1 of $100 million, 164,000 Bitcoin and 20 million EOS tokens. Block.1 led the capital raise alongside Peter Thiel, Alan Howard, Galaxy Digital and other investors. In fact, just this one deal would have been enough to make 2021 the biggest year for venture capital investment in the crypto space. But if that wasn't enough, the remaining $7.2 billion would have equaled 2021 with 2018's record of $7.4 billion raised, which is even more impressive considering that there are still 5 more months to go before the end of the year. On the subject, Ignace Terranus, head of communications of cryptocurrency exchange Bybit, told Cointelegraph that these numbers are not really startling since VCAs are known for their voracious appetite for risk. So, monetable activities. So, cryptocurrency exchange, what I think worth mentioning, FTX2 recently closed a $900 million funding round, which saw a total of 60 participants, including SoftBank, Sequoia Capital, Coinbase Vector, Multicoin, OneEgg, and the Paul Tudor Jones family. So, is more institutional money incoming? The deals we are seeing right now, like Fireblocks snapping up $310 million, SoftBank investing $200 million in Brazilian crypto exchange Mercado Bitcoin, are being made by billion-dollar money managers after months of boardroom discussions and a result from long-term strategic decisions rather than momentary judgment. So, Ethereum is facilitating millions of transactions through numerous decentralized finance services, metaverse games, and NFT services built on top of the network. There are now more than 20 million monthly active user accounts using Ethereum. The intrinsic value of decentralized finance tokens is even more apparent than Ethereum or Bitcoin. So, what lies ahead? Fortunately, blockchain technology and crypto have graduated from a carnival freak show to an inevitable future, so confidence in the underlying companies is at an all-time high. Additionally, a generation of cheap money following from the United States printing press has concentrated into the hands of investors. There has never been so much capital, and the traditional gates have been eroded by partisan politics and poor financial management. So, founding managing partner at Borderless Capital, Arul Murugan, believes that as more applications go live, greater infrastructure will be required to be built, and as more infrastructure is built, it will attract even more applications, creating a virtuous cycle that started happening this year. Therefore, as an increasingly digitized future draws closer, the use of crypto tech will likely continue to grow. So it stands to reason that more players from the traditional finance space will continue to make their way into this burgeoning market, helping it to grow even further. So let me know in the comment section what you're thinking. Will be it okay if we make more news like this one, or you prefer news like what coins to invest in the week? But let's discuss on it. Also hit that like, subscribe button. Thank you so much. So also I think worth mentioning that a look into a world being of NFTs. In 3 decades from now, blockchain technology and non-fungible tokens will not be magnificent. They will be normal and mundane. So you will own nothing and you will be happy. This sentiment was at the core of a declaration issued more than 30 years ago in 2016 by the leaders of the World Economic Forum. It sounded dystopian, like something taken from a book by Aldous Huxley or George Orwell, it was probably among the most insidious ideas I'd ever heard. So it was beautiful to sitter capable of going from 0 to 100 kilometers in height in 2 seconds, which wasn't that bad for an electric vehicle, especially considering it was built in the previous decade. So it's basically about racing drone, and this and even more news you can check out in the video which you have on your screens right now. So thank you so much for watching to this moment. Drop a like button, share with your friends, share your opinion in the comment section below, and have a nice day.